In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 279. Let's get started. Go to Windows Search. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Make sure Roblox is allowed on both private and public networks. Then click OK. If the problem still persists, go to Windows Search. Search for Internet Options. Open it. Go to the Connections tab. Click LAN Settings. Make sure Use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Then click OK. If the problem still isn't fixed, uninstall Roblox. Open your web browser. Search for Roblox. Open the official Roblox website. Download and install the latest version. If the problem still persists, go to Windows Search. Search for Windows Update. Open it. Click Check for updates. Install any available updates. If the error still appears, go to Windows Search. Search for Device Manager. Open it. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Your Roblox Error Code 279 should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.